home today with my date.
Oh, gorgeous. Does you want that one?
No.
I know. I dressed perfect. See, I made sure the jersey was this fun. Vanilla.
Yeah.
So, we're not going to do anything in the car, are we?
Maybe eat some peppermint.
I don't know. I was thinking some more social.
Not getting on.
Let's talk in the car.
Good.